How to delete shared album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down and go to the Albums section at the end. You can view all your albums over here. Go to the top and tap on Shared. Open any shared album from here. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then, tap on Delete Shared Album. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete shared album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.